Everybody put up your life. We have it with Steenie and Chippy and Clear. We have it fast. We have it fast. We have it fast. We have it fast. More life. Get fancy. We have. Jesus Christ. Louder than make God hear. Louder, louder. Wave it. Wave your light and sing. Oh, no, sing for me now, sing. All right. Ready. Oh, no, sing now.
Yo, Chef Young badder than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom, you know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
Them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch not hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the General Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know badness going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
I know we're going to listen to some music.
We are.
Yeah.
But here we are going to Toronto.
Talk to me first.
Toronto. Are you guys ready? Nick, you have to let them know. We represent Jamaica. We represent Dancehall.
Yeah.
We represent the community. We represent the culture.
Yes.
These two individuals we're about to call on stage right now is their first time performing
here at the Jerkfest.
Yes. They have been taking Toronto by storm. They have been taking the world by storm.
In and out.
Yes.
Taking plane like taxi.
That is it.
They don't care feelings and catch flights.
Not at all.
And when they touch the 1-2s,
yeah,
they are like, what you call them two then?
Linky and Nicky.
That is it. That is it.
Toronto, BD Jerkfest.
Are you ready to be entertained?
Get ready.
Dancehall style.
Canadian.
Walmart.
Chinden.
And are you ready?
DJ.
For the fair.
Fair.
It's in the air.
Fair.
DJ Chippy and Fair.
Fair is in the... Sure.
Good night, everybody. Good night, everybody. Y'all sound like you're hungry. Your food's here, you know. But alright. Big up to everybody in the building today. Any Jamaicans in the place right now? Jamaicans, put your hands in here. Let me see them. Holy boy. All Trinis, Vincies, Grenadians, Guyanese, Bajan. Big up on yourself. But hear what I'm here to do. I'm here to praise the place before I get to the nitty-gritty. All who love God, put up your hand down here. All God-fearing people, put up your hand down here. Now, can I play this song for you right now? Watch out.
Right, that's so.
We are going to look in here. Jerkfest. All who love God, we have your hands in here right now. We have your hands there. Wave your hands.
I love you, Lord.
We have them in here. Everybody.
For your mercy never fails.
All who love God Almighty, put your hands in here right now. We have them. We have them.
I've been held
Wave your hands for me. Wave your hands.
from the moment that I wake
VIP, what's good?
till I lay.
VIP, what's good?
Oh, I will sing.
We have something. If you have something in your hand, just wave it. Just wave it. Everybody, sing that song here. Sing it for me.
All my life you have been faithful.
Louder than that, people. Sing.
And all my life you have been so good.
I like it.
With every breath that I
Can't press in here, right? DJ Flea, tripping ass.
of the goodness.
Mr. All who love God, put your hands in the air. I'm still looking. I'm still looking. All who love God over here, so put your hands in the air. Can I play another song for you? All working people. All working people I play for. All working people. Put your hands in the air right now for me.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one.
We are all one today.
There are people.
If you have somebody beside you who you love, tell them you love them now. Give them a hug. If you love somebody beside you, give them a hug right now. Give them a hug, give them a hug, give them a hug.
We can go on pretending day by day.
If that person can't hug you, they don't love you.
Somewhere will soon change.
Big up to everybody who can depend on that person. You got a real friend beside you. A brother, a sister, an uncle, an auntie, mother and father. Everybody wave your hands in the air, sing it out. Sing. One. Today is Friday, and I'm kind of shocked that so much people came out here on a Friday. But then again, I'm not really shocked. All who went to work today and come at Jerkfest, we enjoy yourself. Put something out here right now, please. Put up something out here. All working people. If you work at 9 to 5, put up your hand in the air. Everybody singing out now, man. One.
Let's sing.
And let's drink. All proud Jamaica, put your hands in the air for me right now. Who knows Jamaica's national anthem? You can't sing it with me.
Eternal Father, bless forever.
Who knows sing?
Guide us with thy mighty hands. Keep us free from evil.
Rapping bass when the Jamaican people sing. Louder than that. To our great defender, right to wisdom from above. Sing. Justice. Well, every Jamaican must have black in the ear when they sing the party. Jamaica. We can play some song for Jamaican people. Every Jamaican, wave your hand wave your hand. All you know about tin mackerel, don't play that butter, chicken back. Jamaican flag, all over Jamaican flag, wave it out here, wave it out here, wave your Jamaican flag in here, wave it. This is Jerkfest, we can't play some Jamaica festival music. What country people in there? All who come from country people in here, sing now. Spanish down there. All Spanish down people, put up your hand out here. Where's the man? Hold on, baby, man, it's just it. You ready? You ready? You ready? Put everybody together. Put everybody together. What you say, champion? Oh, my ass up. What you sing on them, you sing on them. What you do? Everything you got, who else? Who else? When you sing on them, that's what I can hide from it up. Just lay down, mama, time to get up. Strictly up, full vibe. When you sing on them, look, everybody, if you have a good time, if you're having a good time, put up your hand down here. Put up your hand down here. Who have them there? Who have them some? Who have? Forget your troubles, Zenia. All of the reggae music, what's up, them kid out here? Can I play a big step for you right now?
Now clap your hands and stamp your feet. This sounds big, trade wild tree.
Oh, I hear the little man sing. Can I sing now? Sing. Everybody, if you're not new up in your life, put up your hand out here. Everybody sing. No, I never can understand it. Why? Oh, no, no. What let me sing and keep saying? Hey! What do you sing? Ladies, if you have a husband, bust up down for your husband. Every husband, if you have a wife, bust up down for your wife. Any of you left your wife, you're gonna end up in that trouble. You must have to sing that song. Huh? You know. Sing. No. Every Jamaican, once again, please bust a blank in the ear for me, please. I'm looking for the real authentic Jamaicans. Real authentic Jamaicans don't music like this. I'm country people, we have been down here, we have. What, Steenie? Every Jamaican will be down here. All along Jamaica, look at Jamaica independence. So what do you? We have down here. We have. Oh, I hear everybody that's on the press sing. Let us sing now. Sing. Stop. Oh my God, I feel like Stevie one night there. Maga Stevie one day. Listen to me. Everybody will have somebody will pass and gone. Put your phone light in the ear. Everybody will have a phone light. Shine it right now. 1, 2, 3, 5 million. Everybody put up your phone light. Your grandparents, a family member, a friend. Sickness come with everybody. Remember me tell you. Everybody put up your light and move it side to side. Drop it for you. Drop it for you. Everybody put up your light. We have been receiving and Chippy and clear. We have been fast. We have been fast. We have been fast. We have been fast. More light. That's it. Jesus Christ. Louder, make that here. Louder.
ready?
Keep your lights in the air. Keep your lights in the air for Jamaica. It was Jamaica Independence Day the other day. Keep your lights in the air for Jamaica. All Kingstonian. Anybody from Clarendon, Westmoreland, Portland, St. Thomas, St. Anne's, St. Mary, St. Catherine, Mandeville, Manchester, Trelawney, Hanover, Negril, all proud Jamaican, put up your hand here. We're going to play the flag.
Story. You get the story. This is my story.
Everybody start raising, put them in there. You have to put them in there.
I remember those days when there was my moment. We have a face was every piece of gold. And we never like days and my year never come when I'm gonna work.
Whatever, give me the bad man, follow. Bad man, pull on. Bad man, pull up, and then the bad man, pull up. And then remember the business from the door, big soul, and the door, and the what I remember when they got a legend in, they had the best friend, Richie Get.
We're talking about Canada, man. Chippy and DJ.
What is that, man? You go back for it, and go. All who come live at Canada, and I live good life. Put up your good finger in your ear. Everybody go so, go so, go so, go so, go so, go so. See that? Sing. Who no sing that? What you know? Before you come at Jerkfest, put up your hand now here. Nobody now move. Play that song here. Put up your hand now here. Run that song. Let me say, look. Everybody looking at the sky. Looking at the sky. Go wave some. Everybody wave some. Wave some. Real jumps, everybody. All right, come. Popular. What everybody's done? Popular. Hey, everybody. Everybody do the all time. Hold on. Well, I see them coming from a perpetrating war, no matter who they. When that is, don't play a rapping boss. Let them sing that part here. Ready? louder than that. I love that. Louder than that. Sing. Well, lead me to the. If you love somebody beside you, look at them and say you love them. I can't hear you. If you love somebody beside you, look at them and say you love them. Rude boy, if you love somebody beside you, give them a lion paw. All who hate somebody beside you, hug your friend. Everybody hug somebody. Hug somebody. Put your arm around somebody's shoulder right now. Put your arm around somebody's shoulder right now. Run the boss, please. Everybody at Jerkfest, you ready? Alright, we going left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, left, right, left, right. Oh my God, everybody jump, 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 jump. This is Jerkfest. How much time we have left? Showtime start already, you know. Yeah? That's how you want to go. Okay. I need two more lovely ladies come up on the stage. No, we can't look at you again. You brave enough? Are you brave enough? Hold on. I need, you gonna come on the stage? Alright, you and your friends come on the stage. Come back up here. This is Jerkfest. I want you to have a good time. I know there's a lot of elders in here, okay? So this dance that you're about to do, a lot of them don't really know it. You ready for doing it? Don't be surprised when I play the song, you know. You ready? You up in my soon. What's going on?
Wow.
Let's see, good credit. All of a bank account in Toronto, Canada. Put your hands in the air for me. You got a lot of people, they always want to hype and they ain't got no money. All who have a bank account, they have a savings. Put your hands in the air right now. I'm going to play the biggest song in Jamaica.
God, what I can tell you. Say that up, that I'm tough. All this statue. Check. Man, me on the tone, bro. Look at this.
When some people are like they got a brand new Benz, and all they clothes in their Benz 10 less.
Please stop it capping. Please stop it capping. Oh, no,
over your son. Clap to them. You ready? Everybody put your hand in the air. Put your hand in the air. Everybody jump. I got my name of Chippy, and this is DJ Flair. People, thank you. Big up on yourself.
We're talking about Canada landmark. Chippy Dan and DJ Flair.
That is it.
Alright, so we're at the house of Jerk. As you can see what I'm going to say, see the line? See the line? Yeah? Good food. Watch what I'm going to say. Watch out. Fresh ribbon and jerk chicken. Special sauce and thing. Oxtail. Pork. Rice and base. It's a ripe plant and thing, you understand? See that? Look nice. Also jerk. See big chef here, you know? Tell them what I'm going to do.
Outside jerk.
Outside jerk, top chef.
Jerkfest.
You see me?
Mad. See it.
2024.
2024, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
You know, so
watch out going on PS3 now, watch out.
I mean, man, put them on. What you mean?
I put it, right?
Yeah, man, I put them on. Potato put.
Hold on there. Look how I'm going yourself. So I put them nice, watch out. See it? You see it? Big top chef them.
Now to get Krista.